I will be showing you all how to use the app. First, a link will be sent to you on the Bible Quiz WhatsApp group. I open my WhatsApp. I open this link over here. I click on this link. Then I open my browser. This will take me to the quiz page. Here you need to enter your own name so that we know who all are part of the quiz. We kindly request you to enter your own name so that there is no further confusion. I will then press on start. As soon as you press on start, you will be taken to this page. This page will let you know who all are part of the quiz. That is the participants who will be participating along with you. Now I will be beginning with the quiz. This is your first question. If you see the screen, you will see the questions are available in English and Tamil. Even the options. You see this white color line running on top? That is your timer. Mostly for the quiz, the timer will be 45 seconds to 60 seconds. I am now clicking on an answer. Please remember, once you click on an answer, it's final. You cannot go back and change it. So please be careful which option you click. Your first answer which we gave is correct. Now unless and until we click on next, you will not be able to go to the next question. You need to wait until all the others finish. If your page is stuck here, please do not press back because you will get thrown out otherwise. Suppose by mistake you press on this back button, you will be brought to this page. What you have to do is go on resume attempt. You will come back to the same page and you won't lose on anything. Now let's move on to the next question. This is the next question. As you can see, the question is in English and Tamil. The options too are in English and Tamil. And the timer is running up. Let's click on one of the answers. It happens to be the incorrect answer. So in case you answer incorrectly, this is how it will show. Now I'll be ending the quiz. When you end the quiz, this will be the page that will be shown. As you can see, your score is over here, your accuracy. It will show you how many questions you answered correctly and incorrectly, and the time you took to answer each question, the average amount of time. If you can see, this is the question you answered incorrectly, and this is the one you answered correctly. If you click on this, it will show you which is the correct answer. Once this is done, we will get your final scores. We will be emailing the final scores to you, or we will be sending it to you via WhatsApp. And you will also come to know how much time you took for each question, what is the option you clicked, and what are the points you receive for each question. This was a demo for our online Bible quiz. We hope to see you all joining us for this quiz. In case there are any queries, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.